Instagram has just added polls inside of messages. So inside of direct messages, you could now use the poll sticker. The poll sticker was available before inside of Instagram story and when you posted things through the Instagram sticker, but now it's right inside of direct messages. Let me show you how to use it in this video. If it's your first time here, I make really easy to follow Instagram and social media videos 5 times a week, so please consider subscribing. Let's jump in. We want to go to our homepage on Instagram here, on our Instagram feed, and jump into direct messages right on top, and then you will have all your messages. So under my messages, I could click this camera icon to send a picture, but if I don't see someone here that I want a message to send this sticker to, I'll just have to press the plus sign, and then I could just type in their name. I'll just use one of my other accounts. Press next up here after you choose them, and now we want to press the camera icon. Same thing as before, you press the camera icon. This will take you to a place where you could go ahead and take a picture. I'm gonna take a picture of this, and then on top the sticker icon. Now this is just like Instagram story. Press the sticker icon, use polls, and then ask your question, and then press done here, and then you could go ahead and reshape this with your 2 fingers, or you could place it anywhere within your Instagram direct message here. And as always, on the bottom you could view it once, allow replay, or keep in chat. So if you want it to be only viewed one time, go ahead and choose that. In this case, I'm gonna go ahead and keep it in chat, and I'm gonna go ahead and send it. Now, just to show you what that's gonna look like on my other accounts, I'll just go ahead and jump into my other accounts, and here I could see that somebody sent me a message. I could go ahead and click it, and right here I'm gonna say allow message because I've never received a message from this person. And now I could go ahead and open this, and I could answer the poll just like that right inside direct messages. So this is completely private, unlike the sticker and the poll icon that you use inside of story. So now if I go back to my other account, I could see that when you vote yes, that is gonna say that I voted yes. Can you solve this? That was my answer right here. I could see it on my account. So that's how you use the poll sticker and these other stickers right inside of Instagram direct message. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for a lot easy to follow social media and tech videos just like this one. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.